When your hospital or medical facility needs to update your secured storage, Digilock has the perfect blueprint, and it's the one you already have. Retrofitting your storage systems with Digilock's industry-leading technology is simple and cost-effective. Give your facility the security and peace of mind your staff and patients can count on, with the features today's hospital systems demand. Digilock's keyless entry systems simplify operations, and our RFID technology combined with spring-loaded storage hinges give your doctors and staff the added safety of touch-free operation. Plus, our IP55 rated surfaces are designed to withstand cleaning with harsh chemicals and moisture for an added layer of protection. Our Aspire and Versa series are a perfect plug-and-protect solution for securing your staff's personal items while they're on rotation. And exam rooms currently equipped with standard cam locks, Digilock's Orbit and Versa models are a handsome and high-tech retrofit, keeping sensitive medications, instruments, and documents safe and secure. Patient rooms with Digilock-equipped nightstands and cabinets give them and their visitors convenience and security for when they're away from their rooms. Today's leading hospital systems need the fit, finish, and functionality of Digilock's advanced technology and stunning design. And with our industry-leading team of sales and support professionals, retrofitting with Digilock is an economical and intelligent way to keep your facility, your doctors, and your patients safe and sound.